stab it here.
You gotta get the hole.
Is anyone else here on Earth tilting off course?
And then open it as it's on your
What is the polarity of this shit?
Ready?
Or the south.
Hello, slash you.
What's going on?
Ready?
I'm kind of waiting for the apocalypse.
Cats and dogs.
I see my chair getting very wet.
I'm gonna totally
I
beat him,
see my
guys.
chair getting
Every
very wet.
week. What the hell is he doing?
Oh!
Mike, you think
What are
we?
you doing in the cave? What are we?
Dude, that keeps
No, 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 Mike.
Alright, hold on.
You know how to drop in a beer.
No.
Come on, guys.
That's what makes it.
Alright, listen.
That's
This is
why
what
it's
you do.
funny, Jay.
Take a key.
Because we don't
Punch a
know
hole
a damn
in the
thing.
bottom of the can.
The bottom of the can.
As you crack the top.
Put your mouth
Put
in
it in
it.
your
As you
mouth.
punch the hole, you put it to your mouth and you crack the top.
Do it sideways.
Air comes in here. This is how you chug it real fast.
Don't cut your lip
He's good
and
at
get ready
engineering, so this
for
is
me to say go.
This is a nice sharp key.
You guys have paper
The bigger the
towels?
hole, the you punch.
Dude, you'll be fun.
Jab it in and suck.
Just wipe it off
Yes.
now.
This might be the most perfect song to play right now.
I don't know how to
You
suck
get
it.
your finger under it.
That's what G said last night.
You crack it, jab it into your mouth.
What's up?
Alright, you guys
Just
ready?
jab it in and suck it. You're familiar with that.
Alright. You know what you're doing. They have no idea. Just do it. You pump a fucking hole. I get a rematch. I'm gonna miss. You open the top up.
Punch your side of the
Fuck it,
beer.
I'm gonna drink it.
No!
I can't, there's no way I'm gonna be able to do this. I'm gonna be like,
I'll do it. I'll do it.
And you were just
Who wants to do it with me just to show them how to do it?
You punch the side of the beer. Okay.
Wait, how'd you get a nail?
what the hell? I have no idea how to do this.
Slowly.
Pop the hole. I don't know how to do it.
You get to give it to the
What it is.
Alright.
It's a beer now. I don't know.
Alright, Charles, calm it down. Charles, calm it down. Ready?
Stab
Punch
it.
side of beer, open top, and guzzle. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, the beer! Oh, yeah!
Oh, you got it!
Take multiple pictures.
Keep going.
Make a movie, goddammit.
He kicked your ass.
We had a roll of paper towels around here somewhere. Oh my god.